If you can understand why me pushing this down makes that pop out, then you can understand why connecting an air supply to the bottom of this single acting cylinder makes that pop out. If you can understand that, then by adding in a 3-port valve, you can understand how to make a pneumatic switch. If you can make pneumatic switches, adding in logic, you can understand how to make electro-pneumatic automated parts. If you can understand how to make electro-pneumatic automated part sorters by adding in a PLC, you can understand how to make automated systems controlled by programmable logic. If you can understand that, then you can understand how whole factory systems works using SCADA controlled dual PLCs. And all of that starts from one simple concept.